Good morning, one and all. Today, what we are going to learn a digitization of topographic sheet. That is Survey of India. So they are providing a topographic sheet. We are going to create a road network. So we can open our QGIS software. The version of the software is 3.2. Sorry, 3.20. Right? So initially we could add layer, add raster layer. Raster means images. Already we georeferenced some images that we can bring here. Already georeferenced. Already georeference one we are bringing here. You can see the image name. It is 57 P15. That is Kanjipuram. They mention here. So many road networks. This is National Highways 45 is moving, right? So we are going to capture, this is district road. Otherwise it may be state highways. This color, some orange color roads, they are district roads or village roads, whatever we can call it as. Now we are going to digitize this state highways. We want to create a layer, create layer, new shapefile. It is universally accepted format. Now we are going to create line string. We could save that line 57 P15 road networks. Road network, we can save that as a layer. So we want the name of the road, whether NH or like that we can add. Just give OK. The line feature is appearing immediately. After closing that pop-up window, immediately you can find that. Now we have to go for editing mode. Right click, go to toggle editing. So once after clicking that button, the corresponding tools are highlighting. You see, so the tools are not highlighting. Now if I click that button, the corresponding tools are highlighting. Now edit, add line feature. We can click like that. You start. So at least we have to zoom 5000 scale, 1:5000. Then only the visibility may be very clear, because the line which is representing on the map is 50-meter width. That means already existing lines on the map, according to pixel size, it may cover 50 to 100 meter. So we have to capture center line of the road. Wherever straight line, you can capture as a line. So if you find any curve, we have to give more vertexes. Then only it may be looking very nice when compared to other feature. So it is crossing like that. So accuracy of capturing is very important for any GIS work, because it may reflect in the our decision making results. So if I capture only one edge like that, what will happen? So I have to give backspace. If I unnecessarily, if I moved like this, I could give backspace to come to its original location. Then I could capture by left click on the mouse. I can use this wheel, clicking on the wheel. I can pan the image. See, I am not using any arrows. Arrows also we can use. So just we can click the arrows like that. Sometimes we can drag by clicking on the mouse. Like that you can capture. So here smooth curve we should give. Here also little curve. Wherever curves are there, we should give more points. Like that we can capture up to this end of the road. So I wrongly capture. I can move back and give some points. It is asking name. We don't know the name of the. Now it is not appearing clearly whether we capture this road or not. We don't know. So you right click, go to the properties. In that property, you select any one of the line style which is clearly visible to you. Some contrast color you can take, right? Some contrast color. So apply OK. Now it is showing in red color. How we can capture? Now, so if I want to capture this road, again I capture like this. Whether it is correct or not, we don't know. We will check. Like that. We don't know the name. So I capture this line also. Like that. If I zoom here, you see there is no connection. It is overshoot error. We should not digitize like that. I carefully digitized the scale of 5000. So it is appearing. So it is snapped. What is the problem while doing this kind of work? You see, if I want to find shortest distance between 2 points, how we are searching in our Google. So here shortest point on this line, right? So we can take road. So this is my first point, starting point. This is my ending point. If I click run, system will not work, will not show. You see, there is no shortest path, not connected. That is the reason. So otherwise, if I pick this point and another point, you see how system is predicting the shortest path. You see, it is appearing. Able to see? We can put some other color. It is showing the shortest path. Little bit hanging due to this video record. Now it is showing the shortest path between these 2 points where we selected, because it is properly snapped. How we can snap the line? the settings project snapping option. So you can advanced configuration that is required for us. Shortest distance, we can snap vertex as well as segment. Vertex means where we are picking point, that we call vertex. Segment means in between that 2 points, we call it as segment. So I will show you later. And then you can click allow follow advanced configuration option, snapping, self snapping, like that you can enable all the button. So that is required for us. So we can change this value into 15 pixels. Otherwise we can set the map unit also. So that is a little bit complicated. We can use 15 pixels like that. Now if I want to digitize, I can select. So immediately system is asking where could I start, like that. So add line feature. So immediately it is joining, you see, immediately it is joining. Before I am touching, system is joining that 12 pixels. That is the case. So you can digitize like that. We require at least 5000 scale, like this. Here you can give more points. Wherever we are keep clicking, that we are call it as vertex. How many vertex I have given, that you can see. Here we should give more points. So here straight line, give more point, like that you can capture. Like that you can capture. See, it is shortest path, it is asking. So where I have to start, like that. So I digitize in shortest path. We have to digitize in road network. So knowingly, unknowingly, we digitize in the shortest path. So like that you can capture. Like that you can capture. If you did any mistake, you use backspace button, like that you can capture. If you do like that, so right click to close the feature. Now I move to restroom or some other break. If I come and join to digitize, again I have to click same tool, then I could start the work, like that. But we have to it should be in one line. See, we select, it is different. Two lines are there, right? Two line features. We have to merge this. We can move line, sorry, edit, merge selected features. If I selected, so which attribute we required, we can select that is the final. Give OK. This select merged together. Now you can see only one feature. Suppose if mistakenly if we do this kind of roads, so if I do this road with mistakes, how we can rectify. Like that, I may be captured wrongly. How could I, what could I do? Just you can see. So it is wrongly captured. Edit, geometry, reshape, reshape feature. You select, you start like this. Give more vertex and bring straight. You go outside. We have to cross one time and one more time in the other portion of the line at least. Reshape. We could select the feature. So first time reshaping like that. Then you reshape like that. We have to cross two times. Then only it could reshape. So like that we can reshape it. If you want to add information about the road, so name of the road, like that you can type. If you know the number, you can give state highways. This road, just zoom it. This is also state highways. Like that you can give. And another one, it is village road. Village road. This one you can zoom and you can check. That is also village road. Here national highways, NH. Like that you can type. So then right click, save edit and come out from the toggle editing. These are the way to capture road network. Okay. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.